Hi, Peter here from the SharePad support team. In this quick tips video, we'll be using SharePad's investor tools to identify the intrinsic value of an instrument using a dividend-based valuation. To get started, let's make sure SharePad is in the default configuration. Blue side on the left and green side on the right. The blue side can contain an index or a portfolio of choice, and the green side should be showing investor tools. Now that we have the Investor Tools page active, click on the drop-down menu and select Dividend-Based Valuation. This feature calculates a share's value by estimating future dividend payments, factoring in expected dividend growth and discount rate. If the intrinsic value exceeds the current price, the share may be undervalued, and if it's lower, the share could be overvalued. For companies with varying dividend growths, use the multi-step model. This lets you project dividends for up to 5 years. If you'd like to learn more, check out Phil Oakley's article. The link will be in the description.